Hello, this is Oklahoma Cannabis Business Attorney Jesse Kovacs with the OK Cannabis Law Office. Today we're going to be asking about what does the storage program entail as part of the process validation system. So the storage program, this is all about how you're storing your materials, your inventory, and everything else. Basically, you need to list out, number one, your protocols for complying with the rules that show that you're properly storing all your raw materials, your chemicals, any ingredients, any in-process products, final products, and retained samples. All of that needs to be laid out about how you're storing these things. That includes temperature and humidity controls, where, obviously, the location where you're storing these things, your approaches with respect to protecting these stored materials from contaminants, and how you're minimizing safety hazards to those things while they're stored. Number two, as part of that program, you need protocols for stock rotation. So basically, you're just describing how you manage your inventory, whether you're using first in, first out, first expired, first out. It's up to you, but you need to have that documented and in place so that Omar or anybody else can understand how your inventory shifts. And number three, you need measures to protect stored items from contamination, pests, and theft. So that's pretty standard. Everybody that gets started, especially on the theft aspect, is going to be familiar with this. But you need to have in your program basically your standard operating procedures and whatever other protocols you're using to make sure that all of your product, your ingredients, your materials, everything that you use to go into your business is stored safely. Now, if this information was helpful to you and you want to find more like it, you can find more at our website, oklahomamedicalmarijuana.attorney.